retro.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. In this video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. Today we are working with CelieHair. Shout out to CelieHair for sponsoring today's video. It's been a little minute since Celie's been on the channel, but today we have a 20-inch water wave 13x4 lace front wig. In your package you're going to get a few free gifts. You get a bonnet, you get a edge brush, I got lashes, I got a headband. You basically get everything you need to install your wig, plus this wig, the density 1/8, it's so full but it's not heavy, so you get enough density so that you don't see any wefts. You know how you get some wigs that are super heavy and it feels like it's pulling on the hairline? This isn't that. The density is perfect for this length and this curl pattern. This is 20 inches but it looks longer. This, like, I'm comparing it to another wig that I have right now and it's hitting like a 24, so I gotta go back to my other videos because I don't recall if Celie is one of those companies that give you like extra inches, but this is definitely longer than a 20, but that's not a problem over here. So I decided to do this install without baby hair, so there's a clean hairline, and I think it looks amazing, especially with this quality of lace. You don't need baby hairs to hide the hairline. So check the description box for all the links if you are interested in purchasing this wig. Definitely give me a like on this video if you are into these clean hairline installs without baby hairs, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
To be or not to be, that is the question. Come on. be.